Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Weekly Outlook. The Easter weekend continues into Monday for most Western countries, allowing for a slower start to the week for investors. It is, however, the beginning of first quarter earnings reports being released, and there are some big names in the financial sector to kick things off. Let's dive in. On Monday, the Consumer Confidence Index from Japan is due. Expectations are for a rise to 35 after it increased to 31.1 in February this year, the highest reading since August 2022. High inflation, increasing interest rates and economic uncertainty kept the Australian Consumer Sentiment Index at 78.5 in March, near record lows. Expectations are for an increase to 79.7 for April. The annual inflation rate in China dropped to 1% in February. When the March figures are published on Tuesday, expectations are for the number to jump up to around 2%. On Wednesday, US CPI figures are due, with some positive signs expected for March. In February, inflation fell to 6% and expectations are that it will fall further to 5.8 this month. Core inflation, which excludes food and energy, is also expected to drop, reaching as low as 5%. The Bank of Canada is due to meet on monetary policy today. The bank kept its overnight rate at 4.5% in March, and analysts expect interest rates will be held at 4.5% this month as well. In January through February, China's trade surplus was at a record-breaking $116.88 billion. Expectations for March are for a drop to $82 billion. In March, UK GDP report is also due on Thursday, with expectations for a slowdown in growth. In February, US producer prices for final demand fell 0.1% from the previous month. With the March report, consensus estimates say that the rate will hold at 0.1%. Major earnings report to expect on Thursday include Progressive Corp, Infosys, Delta Airlines and Tesco. On Friday, US retail sales data is due. The retail sector had a 0.4 month-over-month decline in February, and expectations are for a further drop of 0.4% for March. US consumer sentiment, as measured by the University of Michigan, will also be released on Friday. The index was downgraded from 67 to 62 in March. The preliminary April report is expected to be 62.7. Major earnings report to look out for on Friday include United Health, JP Morgan Chase & Co., Wells Fargo & Co., BlackRock and Citigroup. If you would like to read our full outlook, please visit the analysis section on our website. That's all for this week. Happy trading!